The £300 million investment is going to enable us to significantly extend our manufacturing plant here in the UK to accommodate the rapidly growing demand that we're seeing for our bespoke programme. Bespoke, it's the essence of what Rolls-Royce does. We don't measure our success with volume, and we never will. We create value by handcrafting individual, personal masterpieces for each of our clients. Every Rolls-Royce is bespoke, and 2024 saw us achieve new levels of bespoke commissions and content. Our clients are demanding more of us, and we love that. In 2024, we sold almost as many Rolls-Royce Motor Cars as we did in 2023, our previous record year. We successfully launched new Cullinan and Ghost models together with their alter ego Black Badge variants. 2024 was our first full year of sales for Spectre. Feedback from our clients has underlined just how perfectly electric power suits a Rolls-Royce. The popularity of our pinnacle flagship Phantom model, the ultimate canvas for bespoke, it just continues to grow. In 2025, we expect to see continued strong client demand for all models across the world, although of course our outlook is tempered to an extent by the economic and geopolitical headwinds. We expect the exceptional interest in bespoke to continue to grow through 2025. North America remained our largest sales region in 2024. We've seen high demand for our new Cullinan, as well as some spectacular bespoke Spectre commissions. Our American clients are increasingly excited to harness the power of bespoke to create their own unique, emotionally resonant masterpieces. And in response to this growing demand, in September, we opened an exclusive private office boutique in the meatpacking district of New York. The private office works in partnership with our North America dealer partners, and it provides the most ambitious clients with a luxurious space to create meticulously detailed bespoke commissions with our dedicated locally based designer and client experience team. 2024 was a record year for Rolls-Royce in Europe. This strong performance was across all models, with significant interest in Spectre, which saw its first full year on sale. In Europe, we also saw more clients than ever collaborating with us to create highly bespoke masterpieces. 2024 was a record year for Rolls-Royce in the Asia-Pacific region, with strong demand for all of our models. Now, we've seen an increasing demand for more elaborate and highly personal bespoke creations from our clients all across this region. So in response, in November, we opened a new private office in Seoul in South Korea. The Seoul private office, it complements our dealerships. It provides the region's most ambitious clients with a space to create meticulously detailed, bespoke commissions, working with our dedicated design and client experience team. ', 2024 was a record year for Rolls-Royce in the Middle East. The region is home to some of the most elaborate bespoke creations. And that's why, in Dubai, we opened the first private office outside our home at Goodwood back in 2022. It's been a tremendous success from the very beginning, and it provides the region's most ambitious clients with a space to create personally meaningful, bespoke commissions working with a dedicated design team. As expected, we are noticing the challenges currently affecting the luxury market in China. Despite some headwinds, we've seen an increased interest in bespoke. Rolls-Royce's unparalleled capability to handcraft truly unique and deeply personal masterpieces. China is a highly relevant market for us, and 2024 was the first full year of operation for our private office in Shanghai. I've been delighted to see the extraordinary creations which have been commissioned by our clients there, working in collaboration with our dedicated design and client team.